In this video we will show you how to correctly apply our Rhizopin rooting powders. We will guide you through the process and highlight what to watch out for. The correct application of Rhizopin products is essential for successful root formation. There are 5 steps for proper application. We begin with preparation. Always start by reading the product label, even if you are already familiar with Rhizopin products. Check, for example, whether you have the most recent version of the label. See if there is any information on the label that applies to your situation and act accordingly, since recommendations and instructions may change. Once you have done this, you can move on to step 2, the safety measures. Rooting powder and its components are extensively researched, for example on safety and effectiveness. However, it is still advisable to consult the safety data sheet. There you will find which personal protective measures are required for applying the powder. It also contains information about transport, storage, and handling of the product after use. The SDS are available for download on our website. We can now proceed to step 3, the application. For correct use of rooting powder, it is best to use a small container, about 5 cm in diameter and 2 to 3 cm high. After adding the powder to the container, dip 1 to 2 cm of the cuttings base into the powder. Make sure there is enough powder in the container to cover the entire base of the cutting. After applying the rooting powder, you can gently tap the cutting to remove excess powder, doing this over the same container. Next is step 4, planting the cutting. Place the cutting in the rooting substrate. Use a pre-made hole to prevent the powder from sliding off the cutting. This also helps avoid damage or bending of the cutting. At this point, your cutting is properly placed in the substrate. But there is still one final step, finishing. Leftover powder must not be returned to the original package. It may have been contaminated with organic material or become moist. Dispose of any remaining powder according to local or regional regulations. This video provides guidance for the use of Rhizopin rooting powder. The use of our products may vary depending on your specific situation. If you are unsure or have other questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are happy to help.